Aldehydes and ketones chemical
So two
properties.
types. One is carbonyl to methylene group. Another one is there carbonyl carbon to alcohols. Okay. So here carbonyl means especially these are aldehyde and ketones. Aldehyde, ketones. These are reducing into methylene group. So here you can write the reagents. Reagents are writing. Yesterday, two reagents we learned. One is Clemmensen reduction. Clemmensen reduction. What is that reagent? Zinc amalgam in the presence of HCl. Then Wolff-Kishner reduction. Hydrazine in the presence of base as well. The solvent is glycol. You can write name or structure. Glycol. Then these two reactions already over. Today, one more reagent is there, that is red phosphorus. Okay. So this Clemmensen reduction and Wolff-Kishner reduction is very specific. Only carbonyl, that is aldehyde and ketones, reduce it to alkanes, but red phosphorus and HI, it is a strong reducing agent. Almost all functional groups, including carboxylic acid, it becoming alkanes. Okay, right. So the three reagents, write it fast. You can give it number one for this. Number one, carbonyl to methylene. Over. Next, number two, carbonyl to alcohol. Alcohol. Now, reagents. The repeated reagents, first of all, lithium, aluminium hydride. It is strong reducing agent. It will reduce aldehyde ketones as well as carboxylic acid, ester, acid chloride, etc. Then sodium borohydride. It is specific. I am writing here because only three are there. It is almost all. All we cannot write now. So specific. Only three. If you remember, lithium, aluminum, and sulfur. Right. This is only aldehyde, ketone, acid chloride. Acid chloride. These all three functional groups converting into alcohol. Lithium aluminum hydride, almost all, you can say almost all functional groups reduced. Next, sodium ethyl alcohol. See, these are named reactions. Specifically, one, two reactions only we are using. This name is Boulet-Blanc reaction. Boulet, Bouval. Bold blank reaction. Sodium ethyl alcohol. Then aluminium isopropoxide. Aluminium isopropoxide. Aluminium. This is the isopropoxide taken thrice. 1, 2, 3. Aluminium isopropoxide. This is also a named reaction. MPVR reaction. MPVR. MPVR. Full name है तो Mervyn Ponders Worley reduction. Already written वो alcohol chapter में आया था. Okay, of course, here generally it is used for ketones. Used for ketones. Okay. Okay, these are main reduction. Reduction is two types. One is up to alkane, one is up to alcohol. For alcohol, these are the reagents. Repeated reagents which are coming in the all chapters. These two are named reactions. These two are always. कोई named reaction नहीं. Inorganic reagents these are. Note down fast. Next heading, polymerization reactions. Polymerization. What is the polymerization meaning? Polymerization means more than one molecule joining. Either it is forming a ring, or it is forming a chain, or it is forming three-dimensional structure, whatever it. But more than two. If two are there, generally dimerization. Three are there, trimerization. उससे ज़्यादा है तो polymerization. Okay. Formaldehyde. Heading, subheading. Formaldehyde. N moles of formaldehyde vaporization. N moles of formaldehyde. It is the formalin. Formalin. सुना है कि नाम? Formalin. In the biology lab, you can see that some liquids preserve करते कुछ. Okay, cockroaches and some other lizards, etc. Okay, so this is used to stop the decomposition of the body. Okay, generally frogs and those things. So formalin, it is a 40% formaldehyde. 40% formaldehyde. 40% formaldehyde. See, 2-3 names are there, different compounds. Suppose acetic acid is there. Acetic acid, 10% acetic acid. That is called vinegar. Okay, names completely different. There is no functional group at all. Okay, that is 10% acetic acid. And 10% NaCl solution is called saline. Saline water. 10% NaCl. Diluted NaCl solution. Okay, like that. Different names are there. Right. It is forming a formaldehyde. Paraformaldehyde is formed. Paraformaldehyde. CH2 would taken twice. Taken n times. Paraformaldehyde. Paraformaldehyde. Write 2 lines about this. Paraformaldehyde is a linear polymer. It is a linear polymer. It is there in the NCRT, so it is important in all competitive exams. Linear polymer reduced by reduced sorry formaldehyde is getting oxidation. Oxidized by oxidized by toluenes and failing reagents. Failing reagents. Oxidized by toluenes and failing reagents. That means showing reducing character. It is also known as showing reducing character. Showing reducing character. Showing reducing character. This is about formaldehyde polymerization. This symbol is indicating reversible. Okay. If you heat it, then again it is forming formaldehyde. If you take this is one reaction over. Next, second reaction I am writing here. 3 moles of formaldehyde is forming like cyclic ring type. Benzene ring जैसा. Oxygen, carbon, carbon, oxygen, carbon, oxygen. Hydrogen, 4 bonds should be. Long time at room temperature. If you store it long time, so it is forming cyclic ring. This name is metaformaldehyde. पहले वाला था paraformaldehyde. अभी metaformaldehyde. Metaformaldehyde. देखो here para में launch है. Meta में few fixed, that is 3 molecules forming a cyclic structure. इसका दूसरा नाम लिख सकते हैं ट्राइऑक्सीमिथिलीन. Trioxy, 3 oxygens are there. Methylene. मिथिलीन किसका बोलते हैं? CH2 ग्रुप का मिथिलीन. ट्राइऑक्सी मिथिलीन. Next, it doesn't show reducing character. It is important because it is showing. It doesn't show It doesn't show reducing character reducing character with tolerance reagent. With tolerance reagent. It doesn't show reducing character with tolerance reagent. Next. See, tolerance, when it will show whenever aldehyde group is there. Okay. Sensitive group, acidic hydrogen should be present. Here, there is no aldehyde functional group. Okay. There is no active hydrogen. Next, acetaldehyde polymerization. Acetaldehyde. Here also 3 moles of acetaldehyde. 3 moles of acetaldehyde. Here just long time we are keeping just storing, but here we are using H2SO4. Concentrated H2SO4 we are using. Of course, room temperature RT, room temperature is forming CH3CHO taken thrice. This structure is similar structure. One of the hydrogen is replaced with methyl. Same structure. One is hydrogen, one is methyl. One is hydrogen, one is methyl. One is hydrogen, one is methyl. Same structure. Like a name though different. Para acetaldehyde. The meta आ गया था 3, but here is a para. Para acetaldehyde. Para acetaldehyde. Pleasant smelling liquid. Pleasant smelling liquid. Smelling liquid. Hypnotic compound. Hypnotic compound मतलब hypnotic drugs सुना है? Hypnotic drug hypnotize करते हैं. After taking this drug, medicine या compound, so your mind will go a certain stage. Anyone can control your mind. So nowadays, in any crime, the police officials they will use to means such बोलने के लिए crime criminals को ये drugs देते. So then they will ask whatever incident actually happened, they will tell automatically. They cannot hide the truth in that case. Okay, formaldehyde. Next, suppose 4 moles of acetaldehyde is there. It is 3 moles. Acetaldehyde में first reaction and adding here second reaction. CH3 CHO. Same concentrated H2SO4 0 degrees Celsius. Here room temperature, here 0 degrees Celsius. I'm using. Then 4 moles is forming a cyclic ring. 4 moles, just like square shape you can write. Easy to remember. 4 moles means 4 corners, 4 carbons. Right. Remaining 1 hydrogen, 1 methyl. Right. It is a para-acetaldehyde. It is a meta-acetaldehyde. ये names उधर इधर exchange हो गया क्यों पता नहीं. Meta-acetaldehyde. वो फॉर्माल्डिहाइड में नेम्स उल्टा रहता है. उल्टा मतलब ये 3 कार्बन्स 3 मोल्स के लिए मेटा एस फॉर्माल्डिहाइड का एन फॉर्माल्डिहाइड्स के लिए वो पैरा था. बट दैट नेम्स नाउ रिवर्स. ये पैरा 3 मेटा this one 4. Here there is no n moles, only 4 moles. टोटल 4 compounds. ये 4 compounds important है. ठीक है. It is there in the NCERT. So asking questions and some more important questions are there. I will give you. Formaldehyde reaction with ammonia. Formaldehyde reaction with NH3. Formaldehyde reaction with NH3. 6 moles of formaldehyde reaction with 4 moles of ammonia is giving CH2 6 times N 4 times plus 6 moles of H2. 6 moles of H2O. This compound is known as urotrophin. Say benzene type structure. Nitrogen alternative positions. One nitrogen is middle. Total 4 nitrogens. Here this one is CH2, CH2, CH2. 3. Here 1 CH2. Nitrogen and nitrogen term बीच में. Here 1 CH2. Here also 1 CH2. This one. Urotrophin structure. Benzene type of structure. Middle 3 CH2 groups are there. One nitrogen is middle. Again 3 CH2 groups between 2 nitrogens. That means anywhere in between 2 nitrogen, 1 CH2 group is there. It is used in the treatment of urine infections. It is used in the treatment of urine infections. Urine infections as well. Used in the preparation of explosive. It is used in the preparation of explosive. Next, space is there. After this, write one note point. Except formaldehyde, note. Except formaldehyde remain all aldehydes react with NH3 gives addition elimination product. Addition elimination product. Okay, you can see on reaction. Everyone, you written this. See, in the last class already we discussed the carbonyl compounds like this is there. R group any except formaldehyde. Here NH2 group is there. Here either it may be hydrogen or any alkyl group. Simply the reaction is just you have to remove this water molecule. NCERT may be given one table. I sent you in the WhatsApp also. I think everyone you written. Amines and aldehyde reaction just removing the water molecule. It is forming oxides. Okay. Imine. Here amine is forming imine. Or C H double bond NH. This is imine. NH2 is the amine. Double bond NH is imine. CONH2 amide. Okay, once I will write it here, don't confuse. C double bond ONH2 is the amide. CH2NH2 is the amine. CH double bond NH is the imine. Okay, functional groups. See this reducing character में all functional group tests. These are very very important. Distinguished test and functional group conformation test. Also another name is there. First one, Tollens reagent. Tollens reagent. In the bracket you can write ammonical silver nitrate. Ammonical silver nitrate. It is also known as silver mirror test. Silver mirror test. only aldehydes reduces tolerance reagent. Tolerance reagent. Aldehydes, the bracket, aliphatic and aromatic. Aromatic क्या होता है? Benzaldehyde है. Aromatic. Aldehydes oxidized to carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acids. Ammonical silver nitrate AgNO3 plus ammonium hydroxide. Ammonical silver nitrate means see, alkalic KOH, aqueous KOH, like that. Alkalic KOH means what? KOH dissolved in the water, alcohol. Aqueous KOH means KOH dissolved in the water. Ammonical silver nitrate is dissolved in the ammonium hydroxide. It is forming silver hydroxide initially. Furtherly, it is forming silver oxide. Now, this aldehyde reaction with silver oxide, it is aldehyde oxidized to carboxylic acid. The silver is reducing. Okay, this silver, because of this silver only, it is called silver mirror test. Silver mirror test. The downward arrow mark means precipitation. How it is forming? If it is a test tube is there, the test tube, on the test tube walls, this is the silver line, silver layer is forming. So outside से बाहर से देखे तो एक सिल्वर जैसा कोटिंग दिखते बाहर से. मिरर को देखा होगा, मिरर बैक साइड. Okay, so like that, very shiny, the white silver coating is visible. That's why it is known as silver mirror test. Okay, this point indicating aldehydes only giving means ketones not giving. If you want to write, you can write it. Ketones not performing this test, but already given here. Only aldehydes giving means ketones not giving. Still, for more clarity, you can write ketones not performing this test. Ketones not performing this test. Next, failing tolerance, one test over. So here one more information, aliphatic and aromatic also giving, that means benzaldehyde is giving. And one more point you can write it here. Actually it is not related to this chapter, but reagent. One alkynes, yeah, terminal alkynes performing this test. Terminal alkynes, note points. Terminal alkynes performing this test. Terminal alkynes performing this test. If you want to write the test equation, you can. Because of this only we can distinguish alkene and alkynes. Okay, terminal alkyne means CH3C triple bond CH. This is the terminal. Terminal alkyne means the triple bond should be at any end carbon. Okay, terminal में होना चाहिए. Either starting या ending. Middle में नहीं. Okay, then tolex. So this acidic hydrogen left is forming CH3 C triple bond C. The minus Ag is getting precipitation. Here also Ag is getting precipitation. Okay, that is alkyne chapter, but reagent is there. That's why one more point I added. Next, Fehling's solution. Everyone, you written? Here, two reagents right side by side. Similarity is there. One is failing solution. Another one is Benedict solution. Benedict solution. In the failing A is there. Failing A. It is nothing but copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate solution. Then failing B. Failing B is Rochelle salt. Rochelle salt. That means sodium potassium tartrate. Sodium potassium tartrate. You write full name. I am writing through a short. Sodium potassium tartrate. Sodium potassium tartrate plus NaOH. Discussion. Common name is there. Rochelle salt. Rochelle salt. You write the structure of Rochelle salt. HOH, HOH, here COO minus Na, COO minus K, potassium and sodium, sodium potassium tartrate, sodium potassium tartrate, Rochelle salt. It is the mixture of copper sulfate solution and copper sulfate solution and sodium citrate. Sodium citrate plus here sodium hydroxide is there. Here Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. Sodium citrate structure is just like alphabet E. You can write CO minus Na plus, CO minus Na plus, CO minus Na plus. Here it is OH. Sodium citrate. Sodium citrate. Just like E type you can write. Similarity मतलब कि copper sulfate is there, copper sulfate is there. Rochelle is salt with the dicarboxylic acid, tricarboxylic acid. Tartarate. Sorry?
Excuse me, sir.
Ah,
Sir, please send the photo in group.
sure. Okay. Okay, right. Then similarity, right. Okay, write the reaction. RCHO, copper plus 2 plus OH minus is giving carboxylic acid plus here Cu2O. This is very very important. Cu2O. It is red color. The question is asking the red color is due to because cuprous oxide. It is cupric. It is a cuprous. Okay. Same reaction होगा इधर भी. RCHO plus copper plus 2 plus OH minus is giving carboxylic acid, then Cu2. It is giving red color. Repeating here also it is PPT.
Switch connected to camera try restarting your device. फोटो खींचे मेरा मोबाइल फोटो खींच के भेज रिस्टार्ट करो कैमरा रिस्टार्ट करे तो पूरा खत्म हो जाए.
Okay, Devraj, wait. I will send the pic.
और बॉक्स है ये
Hello? Am I audible now? Okay, board visible? Is it clear now? Still blur is there. Okay, I sent you that notes. I sent you two things. One is what I written here as well. One table is there, around 9 reactions. Okay, now it's clear now. So that's right. You need to write that one table is there, 9 reactions. Suppose glucose and fructose is there. Phenyl and toluenes both are giving. Alpha hydroxyaldehyde both giving. Alpha hydroxy ketones. See in the last point what we written, ketones not giving. That is true. But alpha hydroxy ketones are giving. Alpha hydroxy ketones are giving. Okay, that's why this table it's important. Alpha hydroxy ketones both, phenyl and toluenes both are giving. Formic acid. देखो formic acid formula HC double bond OH. See this one is like aldehyde only. Aldehyde group is there. Okay, that's why it is also giving formic acid also giving the test. Next succinaldehyde. Succinic acid जैसा होता है succinaldehyde. Aldehyde group is there. Obviously it will give. Then pyruvaldehyde. Pyruvic acid, pyruvaldehyde. Okay, you have to know that names. That's only. Then glyoxal. Glyoxal is giving by toluenes, but phenyl is not giving because toluenes is highly powerful reducing than phenyl. Phenyl से और कम है skips और एक बाकी था skips. That is very sensitive. Only few aldehyde and aldehydes only giving. उससे stronger phenyl से stronger toluenes almost all are giving. Then if you take the benzaldehyde is giving by toluenes, but phenyl is not giving benzaldehyde. Okay. Then glyoxylic acid, aldehyde, toluenes is giving, but phenyl is not giving. Okay, you can give some space for that 9 lines. If you want to write it now, okay, it's fine. Next. Next one point you write it in the Benedict. Now it's visible, no? Benedict. Carbohydrates giving Benedict test. Carbohydrates giving Benedict test. कौन देते हैं? Carbohydrates. वो क्या होता है? Glucose generally. glucose, fructose, carbohydrates giving Benedict test. Failing is just aldehyde ketone. So failing is used to distinguish aliphatic and aromatic aldehydes. Because aromatic is not giving, है ना? Benzaldehyde is not giving. Benzaldehyde not giving. So failing, it is used to distinguish. It is used to distinguish aliphatic and aromatic aldehydes. It is used to distinguish aliphatic and aromatic aldehydes. Okay, right. Next, mercuric chloride. Mercuric chloride. How much time remain? 10. Still so much time. 10:50 na? 5:50. 10:40. Mercuric chloride. Mercuric chloride. It is reduced by aldehydes. It is reduced by aldehydes to give white PPT of mercurous chloride. Mercurous chloride. It is giving white PPT of mercurous chloride. In the brackets, calonal, 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 which further react with aldehyde, giving a black PPT of mercury. Gives a black PPT of mercury. PPT of mercury. You can write equation RCHO. Mercuric chloride, HgCl2, water is forming RCHO, aldehyde is oxidized into carboxylic acid. This one undergoing oxidation means obviously it should undergo reduction. Here mercuric oxidation number +2. So in the next step, what it will happen? Mercurous chloride, Hg2Cl2. Hg2Cl2. You may get doubt, sir. HgCl also we can write because smallest ratio. but sometimes we have to write like that only. Suppose H2O2 is there, hydrogen peroxide. So we cannot write H1. No? Hydrogen peroxide के लिए H2O2 we have to write. Similarly, here mercurous chloride, Hg2Cl2. This is only Calonal plus HCl. Now, this mercurous chloride react with aldehyde and forming carboxylic acid as well. Mercury is giving black PPT. Black PPT. The byproduct is HCl. Body is visible now clearly. Mercuric chloride is forming mercurous chloride, later mercury. So, one electron gaining in the first step, forming your white PPT. This one is mercurous, is a white. But the white is not stable. Immediately it is reacting with one more aldehyde, and finally we are getting black PPT. Next, Skipp's reagent. Skipp's reagent. It is a diluted solution of, it is a diluted solution of, it is a diluted solution of para-rosanilin hydrochloride. Para-rosanilin hydrochloride. The structure is here one benzene ring, methyl and NH2 is there. The NH2 para position is connected with one carbon here, and one more benzene ring is there. Here also para position aniline, NH2 group. Okay, similar, but here one methyl group extra is there. Okay. Next, here double bond benzene ring is there, but only it is undergoing resonance. Para rosanilin hydrochloride. Hydrochloride. Here NH2 was there initially. This hydrochloride is added. So HCl. So here NH3 we can write NH2 minus Cl minus NH2 plus होना चाहिए NH2 plus Cl minus. See like this, R NH2 is there. It is reaction with HCl. It is forming R NH3 plus Cl minus is formed. Total nitrogen को 4 bonds होना चाहिए. 2 double bonds, then 2 hydrogen. Total 4 bonds. When nitrogen is getting 4 bonds, it's getting positive charge. In the ammonium chloride, you can see in the ammonium chloride, total 4 bonds. Cl and this ammonium having ionic bond. Nitrogen maximum it can form only 4 bonds. There is no 5 bonds. Okay. In generally neutral case, that is 3 bonds forming. Okay. When 4 bonds are there, positive charge is there. Okay. And one more is ionic. Positive charge is there means ionic bond. This is the finally para rosanilin hydrochloride. Para aniline. Aniline किसको बोलते हैं? Benzene ring attached with NH2. Attached with OH is the phenol. Attached with NH2 is the aniline, aromatic. Amines and aniline. Alcohol and phenol. Okay. So aniline. Para means ये position para. Para aniline. ठीक है. एक hint दे रहे. Para RO, it's not RE. Rosanilin. Para rosanilin hydrochloride. Okay. See, para aniline is there, 2 compounds. Of course, here also 3 compounds total. Here one methyl group is there. In the center, one carbon is there. Okay. Due to the resonance, this structure get. Just you have to identify. ये लिखने का जरूरत नहीं है. Just you have to identify. इसका कॉमन नेम और एक नेम है मैजेंटा डाई. It is also called magenta dye, dye dye. It is a color magenta dye. Its pink color is discharged by magenta dye. Actually, it is pink color. It is pink color. Okay. Now, next point. Its pink color is discharged by SO2, sulfur dioxide, SO2 gas. SO2 gas. Aldehydes reacts with this reagent restore the color. Restore the color. Restore the color. You understood? See, it has some color. This color, which color it is? Pink color. This pink color destroyed by sulfur dioxide. Okay. Suppose, okay, it is the one test tube. I am taking para-rosanilin hydrochloride. It is in the pink color. Okay, it is in the pink color, right? I am adding sulfur dioxide gas. I am sending sulfur dioxide gas. It becomes colorless. Okay, colorless. Okay. Now, whenever aldehyde is added, okay, aldehyde undergoing oxidation. This it is reducing. Okay, so again it is getting pink color. पहले पिंक कलर था, बीच में कलर को डिस्ट्रॉय किया था, decolorize किया था because due to sulfur dioxide adding. Okay, by adding the sulfur dioxide we remove the color. Then we are adding aldehyde. Suppose ketone also you are adding. Where you are adding ketone, the color is not restored. Where you are adding aldehyde, in which test tube that color is restored. Again it becomes pink color. So easily we can identify that is it aldehyde or ketone, like that. So what you will write here? Aldehyde plus Skipp's reagent. Skipp's reagent is giving pink color solution. It's not precipitation, pink color solution. Note, ketones not performing this test. Ketones not performing this test. See, in the textbook you can see somewhere the reference books. Ketones are not, instead of not performing test, what we can use? Negative test. Positive test means the test is giving. Negative test means no test. Okay. Ketones are giving negative test like that. Okay, you can write that word also. Somewhere you will get it. Ketones giving negative test. Ketones giving negative test. Ketones giving negative test. See, these are all three total four. Okay, one is mercury chloride, toluenes, Skipp's, and okay, one more is there. Five total. Benedict also. Benedict, toluenes, failing, Skipp's, mercury chloride. These all are used to distinguish aldehydes and ketones. Next heading, reaction of only ketones. Reaction of only ketones. Till the time we discussed common reactions. Okay, but now only ketones. Reactions of only ketones. That first one. Reaction with magnesium amalgam. Magnesium amalgam and water. Reaction with magnesium amalgam. See, amalgam बोलते हैं. Amalgam is mercury is there. If zinc and mercury is there, zinc amalgam. Sodium plus mercury is there, sodium amalgam. Okay, magnesium and mercury is there, magnesium amalgam. Two ketones are taking. So these two ketones forming diodes. Just these two carbons joining, this double bond will becoming OH, double bond will becoming OH, remaining CH3 groups as it is. What is the reagent? Magnesium amalgam, water. Magnesium amalgam and water. This is only common name is pinacol. याद आए इसके पहले आया था pinacol pinacalone rearrangement. Pinacol pinacalone rearrangement. If you take constant H2SO4, here one water molecule left, then this methyl is shifted here, then here double bond either ketone, here 3 methyl groups. Pinacol pinacalone ketone formation. Next, reaction with chloroform. With chloroform, CHCl3. The reaction CH3 chloroform formula CHCl3 is the chloroform. Here hydrogen is plus, CCl3 is the minus. So in general, Grignard reagent mechanism type is chloroform. CCl3 is attacking here, oxygen getting minus. So furtherly it becomes OH. CH3, CH3, carbon, one more CH3, right? O minus, it became O minus and H plus become OH. Then CCl3 attacking there, CCl. Just addition reaction type. CCl3 one side, OH one side. Chloritone, chloroform plus acetone. Chloroform, acetone, chloritone. Two names combined. Already this reaction is written. Acetone reaction with one more acetone. Aldol condensation. I am taking. See, it takes place in the acidic medium as well as in the basic medium, both. Okay. Here, remove the H2O. Alpha carbon. One carbonyl compound alpha hydrogens, another carbonyl compound oxygen. You have to remove the water molecule. Then CH3, CH3, double bond, CH, C double bond to CH. See, 10 to 20% of reactions, repeating. Okay, same reaction. Cross aldol, aldol, उस time में लिखा था already. H2O निकलना. Okay, name important. Mesitile oxide. Mesitile oxide. Important name. Name and structure. Mesitile oxide. The same acetone, 3 moles of acetone getting polymerization in the presence of concentrated H2SO4 forming benzene. Then 3 methyl groups symmetrical alternative position. Okay, this is mesitylene. This is mesitylene. See these 3 methyl groups I can write. It is one acetylene. Then CH3. C double bond O CH3. One more acetylene. Carbon. CH3. CH3. C double bond O. CH3, CH3. Now what you will do? Just remove the water molecule. H2, H2. इधर तो double bond बनेगा. Suppose I am giving number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alternative position. 1 and 2 में double bond. 2 to 3 single bond. 3 to 4 double bond. 4 to 5 single bond. 5 to 6 double bond. 6 to 1 single bond. Benzene. Okay. Now for more clarity, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See 1 and 2 these में double bond. 3, 4 double bond. 5, 6 double bond. Okay, just removing the water molecule. Over time, 5 minutes remain. Extra over. Remain. Na? Next, iodoform test. This iodoform test also written in the alcohol chapter. Once again, CH3, C double bond O here, R. R means here methyl, yeah, aryl, whatever. Reaction I2 plus NaOH. Okay, name not written. Iodoform test. Iodoform. Iodoform test. Iodoform is forming. See, for this, the condition is this methyl group is required. After methyl, immediate C double bond O group is. Last time I given the mechanism also. That CH3 becoming CHI3, then the remaining part is becoming carboxylic acid. Of course, base is there, that's why carboxylate. Iodoform test में note CH3 C double bond O H, CH3 C double bond O CH3, CH3 C means here aldehyde also giving. Condition is this much: CH3 C double bond O group should be present. Okay, here benzene. Not only this, carbonyl compounds including alcohols, CH3, CH2, OH. Okay, whatever, CH3, CH3, C, any R giving, all are giving. Last you write positive test. Positive test. That means performing test. Initiate formaldehyde, HC double bond OH, even acetic acid. Formaldehyde when there is no CH3 group, it's okay, fine. In the carboxylic acid, it is there, even though not given. Carboxylic acid. Then CH3, C double bond O, Cl. Acid chlorides, esters, okay, amide, all carboxylic acid derivatives. Not giving test. Or which ketone aldehyde. Giving negative test. Negative test. Okay, almost time over. I will send one pic. You note down same reaction, just classify.